evening, one and all. It is Bobby. 2 pops of breaks on Tuesday. It is March the 19th, and we're breaking Gold Rush multi-sport jerseys. It is the second break of our fresh case that we just started tonight. Randomed up our last 4 boxes. We got 4 and 5. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names and customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. The one trade that did go down has been entered. I'm just double checking, making sure no other offers came in. Alright folks, so far we're off to a good start. Let's just hope we're going to keep her rolling throughout the case here, guys. Pop of your seal. Bam, man, wow. Well, guys, this is a nice case so fucking far there, folks. Going to be Mr. Bobby Witt Jr. Just signed himself a mega contract about a month ago there, guys. Very nice case so far, guys. Gonna be Mr. Bobby Witt Jr. Beckett Witness hologram honor, folks. Well, guys, so far we had a real nice case, and we had a couple of duds there, man, and now we're back to one of the nicer cases we've gotten so far, guys. Let's just hope this friggin' shit continues through this case. Well, looks like it's going to be Josh, man, another of the customers who, again, we've had some guys who we hadn't seen in a while stopping back in lately, and most of them have been picking themselves up some nice damn hits along the way there. Very nice hit for Josh. Mr. Josh Overton, gonna take the Bobby Witt. Alright, guys, well, I'm fucking very happy so far, guys, especially after those 2 duds we had. I will say this son of a bitch feels heavy, man. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what it means, hockey or what, but that's a sucker pretty heavy. Bam! Again, not a bad name either, man. Maybe not a monster, but not a bad name. Gonna be Mr. Luke Robitaille, guys. Oh, man, again, I'd have to say one of our better cases overall here, too, man. Again, JSA card. Going to be the Luke Robitaille JSA sticker honor. Los Angeles Kings. And JSA card with it. Gonna be Jason Hill. Well, Joey, shit, but the one hockey player you didn't get. Oh, Jason, sorry. I'm very sorry everybody else as well, guys. That one's going to Jason. Getting not a monster, but a solid hit, guys. Not a bad freaking case for us so far. Jason Hill's gonna take that one, folks. We got 2 boxes left in the case. Let's see what we're gonna get, fellas. I mean, so far, you can't complain too much about the 4 we got. We got boxes 3 and 6 for you sitting there. Y'all have a wonderful night. Stop on by and join us at Bobby Two Paws Breaks.